Then this is Padma Puran. Of course, if this is interpolated or what, but anyway, it says Padma Puran. Viva Kshatriya Vaishyas Cha Guravas Shudra Janmana Shudras Cha Guravas Tesham Trayanam Bhagavat Priya. Padma Puran. And this is explaining that if someone's a Vaishnava, he can be Acharya of all the Varnas because he's dear to Krishna. A Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya can be the guru for the Shudra class. In other words, if someone is a Vaishya and becomes a Brahmin, he can also be a guru for the Shudra, or whether it's a Kshatriya Brahmin. But a Vaishnava, even if born a Shudra, can be the guru of these higher Varnas because he's so dear to the Lord. Well, this is Padma Puran, or at least it's indicated here. And confirmed. Very radically so. Proclaimed with loud kirtan. The wind gods, Vayu, one of the demigods, is pushing that spice container top into kirtan mode. Everything is alive with kirtan in the spiritual world. Even the trees are chanting Hare Krishna or Radhe Radhe. Maybe that was Radhe Radhe, but we couldn't perceive it. But at any rate, this is in Padma Puran, so we have a very glaring example of this in the Gaudiya Vaishnava history of Narottam Das Thakur.